How to link image in Excel sheet. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google sheet. So let me show you how you can insert the image and link the image within the cell in Excel sheet. So just select the cell where you want to insert the or link the image. Okay. Okay, so now we need to use the formula. So just hit the equal sign and type image here, then this formula will become here. You can just hit the tab or just click on it, so then formula will be active. Now use the double quotation mark. Okay, we need two double quotation mark, and under this we insert the image link. Okay, so just go to the internet and find your image here. Just preview the image, right click on image and go to the copy the image address, click on it. Now you need to paste this image link within this quotation mark. Okay, then now we need to complete that bracket. Okay, so bracket start from here. We use quotation mark for link, and we have closed the bracket. Now hit the enter. Okay, okay, so this image is SVG PNG. Let me check 1 second. Okay, this image is private, so let me check another image. Okay, copy the image address, hit the enter. Okay, sometime what happen, the access will be denied, so you need to allow the access in Excel sheet. Then you can see image has been updated. So when you increase decrease the cell size, the image will be adjusted automatically. Okay, you can see. So that is how you can link in link an image in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.